Okay, we're here to do a repair test for Brad Fillmore. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove a shingle and put a temporary repair in there just to see what the repairability of this roof is. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so just prying this up just a little bit, enough to get the pry bar under it. There's a little tear here. I'll zoom in closer once this is all finished, but that's just gonna show you the brittleness of these shingles. They are very, very brittle. As I'm just working my way along, like I said, I'm doing this as delicately as possible, lifting them probably about 25 degrees, and the shingles are starting to tear. Okay, we got that shingle out, so let's take a look at some of these. I mean, here you can see that just from gently manipulating, these things are just starting to tear. We got another spot right here. We got more right here. We got little tears going on right here. So these shingles are incredibly brittle and very difficult to manipulate without causing any kind of further damage there. So let's go ahead and put the new shingle in. This isn't meant to be a match. This is just simply a repairability test. And just by trying to get my hands under here to bend this just enough to be able to get a positive nail on the nail strip to re-nail this shingle back in, it's absolutely shredding this shingle above. It's any bit of pressure and lifting from underneath is just breaking the shingle and tearing it. Okay. So here's the aftermath. Again, I mean, we did this as gently as possible to get these shingles out, and we got tears all over the place just from trying to lift them up, no more than on a 30-degree angle. So this is a fail. This is not a repairable roof. All it's doing is creating more damage and affecting the water shedding ability. So if we were to even try and do any kind of minor repairs, it's not possible with the age and condition of the shingle. We cannot, in good faith, repair this roof.